There are very few instruments, particularly percussion instruments, that are so simple in their makeup and you can recognise it straight away. And it's quite a tribal sound, and it can really transport you whenever you hear a really special bodhrán performance. I began learning the bodhrán at around 3 years of age. I come from a musical family, so I had no choice in the matter. So thankfully I took to it, and I've enjoyed playing this instrument my whole life. The makeup is a wooden circular frame here, and then it's got goat skin tacked onto the side of it here. A player can use the stick or a beater. You use your skin hand on the other side to alter the tone and timbre of the skin itself. It's essentially almost like a full drum kit that can range from to quite high. But it's been used in Ireland from the 1700s on. It came to prominence during the traditional Irish music boom of the 1960s. I love the amount of expression you can get with this instrument, and I love the way you can use it in so many different ways. I often use it to accompanying myself singing, as well as singing with vocal ensembles, such as the group I sing with Manam. I think what you're giving students whenever you teach them the bodhrán, or any instrument for that matter, is a means of connecting and socialising with other people. With all Irish traditional instruments, players have the option to enter competitions. They get to meet other players, they get to challenge themselves, and they ultimately get feedback on their performance. Whether they win or lose, they'll always come out the better player. Some performances are easier than others. You learn how to improvise and bounce back and adapt to different situations, and it's really transferable to a lot of other areas in life, whether it's school or work or any other kind of environment where they meet a challenge.